Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. Yes, we are in the shadows of the basement. So here's what we've got. You can see in the back here, we got ourselves a bandsaw. We'll take a look at all the parts that came with this. It's an interesting story because we went to buy a bandsaw and we said, we'll look at them at the store, but we'll probably buy it online because of the better deals. But we bought it at the store. Here's what was funny was it had been returned the day earlier by somebody who bought it and opened the box and took a couple parts out and said, hey, this is too small for what I want to do. And they brought it back. So they were going to discount it about 20%. And we're sitting here right before Black Friday. So I said, well, maybe I should wait till Black Friday. Maybe there's going to be better sales on stuff. And he said, well, let me look. And he looks and he says, hey, I can give you another 20% off the current open box 20% for the Good Friday thing. So we bought it before that. Why not? Look like all the parts are there. Today we're going to find out. This is not going to be a how-to video on how to assemble your bandsaw, but we'll get you some footage on how it goes together, but later it'll be more of a review on how the bandsaw works, okay? So don't forget to like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. So we laid out all the hardware, kind of grouped it by type. Looks like the motor came with the bolts already in it. Here's the main part of the bandsaw, and we've got all the miscellaneous components over here and all the sheet metal over here. Note a lot of the screws are right in the holes there, you can see, so makes it a little easier. We're going to follow the instructions. Here's what's interesting. It looks like it's only 14 millimeters and 12 millimeters. We got our wrenches. Look at our instructions and get our parts. So our next step is to get this big pulley wheel on. We're hoping we can get our hands in here to put that in, but it looks like not. So what we have to do is stand this up and turn it. I'm going to take this cover off the front here. Take this off all the time to put the belt on anyhow. So yeah, now you can look. Got lots of room through there. So what we can do is put this pulley wheel through the slot and get our nut and bolt started on the other side. So the next thing we got to do here is get this lifted up here. It's heavy, so we got to work on that, but we'll get it. Okay, so we were able to lift it up there. We got 2 bolts in, so it won't fall over. Got 2 more to put in. Gonna work on those and well, we're back. We're adjusting our guides now for the saw. You got a couple things you have to adjust. You kind of turn this by hand. Get the track in the right spot. Looks pretty good. And we can take those. maybe we'll drill a hole so we can draw a pin in there. Let's do that. There you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my two good hands. We put the bandsaw together. It did take us all morning, so probably got 4 hours in it, but we did get a couple pieces of our corbels cut. Does a pretty nice finish. We're going to hit these with just a belt sander for a second, and they'll be like new.